left that we take. There's a left that we take there, but I didn't see it. Oh, it's that one.
Do you want to do that one?
Probably a bit easier for you, yeah. Yeah, we'll just do that one.
Come in. Where are you taking me, James? Where are you taking me? It's a boy taking a log for a walk? No, blind boy. Oh. How are you enjoying your ride, James? The loopers. So our way was slightly interrupted by some wet concrete, and
You may as well make a mark.
may as well make a mark. Soaking wet. Cracking on. I can see the ferry. It's just down there, but we're having a terrible time getting to it because the choice is this path or 2.5 miles of pretty rough, nasty stuff. But wow. And here he comes. This is steeper than it looks, and it's very dusty. How was that? That's the easy bit.
Is this actually it now?
What do you reckon to my surprise, James?
Yeah, surprise.
This is why we came all this way. We're taking that ferry across this river. Oh wow. Love it. And he's off.
I'm gonna try.
It's impossible to get the sense of scale. So how was your ride today, James?
Yeah, it's been good.
I had a fucking awesome ride actually,
Yeah,
to be honest.
that was good times.
What did you think to my surprise?
I was not impressed, to be honest.
What, the little bamboo boat across the river?
Well, I mean, we've just got up and down that shit like 3 times. I was hoping for something a little bit more traditional, but looking back, it's good.
It was great. It was amazing.
At the time, I failed to see the joy and the delight.
It's not a born traveller, that's what I think. So I've managed to completely ruin my soft luggage. It got rubbed on the wheel somehow, and it pulled out my running vest, which now looks like that. I think I got a bit lucky. And what do you think to my shortcut, James?
The second I brake or accelerate, I'm slipping, so...
Just be very careful and try to stick to the hard patch. It's mud heaven. So the northernmost point of Vietnam is that hill up there, I think, on the right hand side, and we've got to go up there where matey's just come down with his girl. And we're debating it, but clearly if they can do it, we can. Off we go. And that is China, with lookout posts every 300 metres or so. James reckons that we've got snipers aiming at us as we speak, probably from over there, because we've been coming along. It is. So how do you fancy the most northern point in Vietnam then?
I was expecting less, to be honest. So I'm pleasantly surprised.
Pleasantly surprised.
Pleasantly surprised.
Ah. Oh god, that's steep. cabbages. Come in. Welcome to down south, and just been run over by a taxi, and this is what we've been faced with after 8-10 days in Vietnamese wilderness and rural delights. We're back in civilization, and look what they've done to it. It's all oh, making me dizzy. This is the menu. There's porcupine, rabbit, something with stripes, which I'm sure it must be illegal to kill, parrots maybe, pigs and gerbils. Or I don't know what, is that a gerbil? I have no idea. I don't know what this is. I'm sure we're not allowed to eat them.